given example order of operation. So minus 5 bracket square minus 2 multiply bracket minus 9 bracket complete plus 6. So how much answer is this correct method in order of x order of operation example? So many people to wrong method this example. First will be solve this. So minus 5 square is equal to 25 minus 2 multiply by minus 9 plus 6. So first we will wrong method people solve this. 25 minus 2 is equal to 24 multiply by minus 9 plus 6 is equal to minus 3, and final answer is 24 multiply by 3. So 3 4 the 12, 1 adding and minus 3 multiply by 2 is 6 and 7 and minus 72, but here given answer is not correct this order of operation equation. So correct method is according to the board mass rule. Board mass rule. So B means bracket here, so bracket then goes to order means exponents, then division, multiplication, addition, and last subtraction. So first will be not given bracket here, so first will be solve order means exponent. So minus 5 square is equal to 25, then minus 2 multiply by minus 9 plus 6, then goes to division but not given in division, so then goes to multiplication. So 25 minus multiply by minus 9, so minus multiply by minus is equal to plus, 2 multiply by 9 is equal to 18 plus 6, and then last goes to addition. So 25 plus 18 is equal to 43 plus 6 is equal to final answer is 49. So given expression order of operation, so final answer is 49.